like sub-zeros, pretty damn easy to work on in most cases. I can do a compressor evaporator replacement without pulling those things out. Generally don't need 2 techs. Other units, yeah, they're coming out of that wall, unfortunately. The only thing we err on the side of caution is when these things do come out of the wall, they are very, very front heavy. They want to tip over on you. So normally if we were to pull a built-in, we would bring a second technician out. Not that they're really doing a lot of work. It's more of like a, hey, I'm on a ladder, so hand me this, hand me that. And then stand there like this with your hand on the fridge so this thing doesn't tip over and crash on the island and, you know, crack the granite in half and, you know,